Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to an IBS homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is exercise 3, question 21. Dear students, this is a word problem. We'll solve this one today. Okay, dear students, let us see the question. The length of a rectangular field is 1.5 times of its breadth. An amount of Taka 10260 is spent to plant grass at Taka 1.90 per square meter. How much money will be spent at Taka 2.50 per meter to erect a fence around that field? Okay, dear students, it means that a rectangular field is given and the length of the field is 1.5 times of its breadth. Okay, let us see the field. Suppose this is the rectangular field and its length is 1.5 times of its breadth. So suppose the breadth is x, so length will be 1.5 into x, it means 1.5x. And total cost for planting grass on that total area, of this field is Taka 10260, and cost for per square meter area is Taka 1.90. So if we divide this amount 10260 divided by 1.90, will get the total area of the field, and total area of the field must be 5400. It means that now this is the total area. So from the condition we can determine the length and breadth of the field. But what we need to determine? We need to determine the total cost for erecting a fence around the field. It means that if we know the length and breadth, then we need to know the perimeter of the field, as fence is erected on the perimeter. So we have to find the perimeter. It means the total length of these four sides, and to find the total cost we have to multiply that perimeter by the cost per meter. Okay, so from the given condition we can solve our question now. Okay, dear students, let us see the solution. Given total cost to plant grass is Taka total cost to plant grass in the field is Taka 10260 at Taka 1.90 per square meter. So the total area of the field must be, if we divide 10260 by 1.90, will get the area. So the area of the field area of the field. That will be equal to 10260 divided by 1.90 square meter. So this will be, if we divide this by 1.90, we will get 5400. 5400. Okay, dear students, now see the question. Another condition given, that is the length is 1.5 times of its breadth. It means that if we consider the breadth is x meter, then the length must be 1.5x. So we can write let the breadth of the field is x meter. So the length of the field is 1.5 into x meter. It means that 1.5x meter. Okay, dear students, so we have determined the length and breadth. We have determined the length and breadth of the field. Okay, now if we multiply these two, we will get the area of the field. So therefore the area of the field, area of the field, as the field is rectangular in shape, so the area must be product of length and breadth. So we have to multiply 1.5 x and x square meter. So we will get here 1.5 x square meter. The students, now see, this is the area of the field and this is also the area of the field, as this is the same field, only one field here. So these two area must be equal. So we can write as per question, we can write 1.5 x square is equal to 5400, or we can write here x square equal to, it means if we divide both sides by 1.5, we will get 3600. If we divide 5400 by 1.5, we will get 3600. Now we can determine the value of x equal to square root 3600. Therefore x equal to, if we take the square root on 3600, for this 36 we will get 6 and for this 20 we will get a 0, and this is our value of x. It means the breadth of the field. It means that the breadth of the field is 60 meter and the length of the field must be 1.5 into 60. So we can write here, so the breadth of the field is 60 meter and the length of the field is, we have to multiply 60 by 1.5 meters. That will be equal to 90 meter. It means that now we know the length and breadth. Okay, to find the total cost for erecting the fence around the field, we need to determine the perimeter of the field. As we know the length and breadth, so we can determine the perimeter. Now, the perimeter of the field equal to 2 into length plus breadth. This is unit. So we can write here 2 into length means 90 meter, breadth means 60 meter. So here will be meters. It means that 2 into 90 and 60, 150. Sum of these two is 150 meters. So product of 150 and 2 is 300 meters. Okay, dear students, this is our perimeter. It means that the total length of these 4 sides of the field. Okay, as this is the perimeter, now if we multiply this by cost per meter, it means taka 2.50, we will get the total cost. Therefore, the total cost to erect a fence around that field is, or we can directly write here taka 2.50 multiply by 300. So if we multiply this, we will get 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 and 1, that is 7. Now here is 0, here is 2 0. So 3 0 we have to write here. Now we have to put the decimal. After the decimal, here are 2 digits. So we have to put the decimal, just 2 digits left. So 750.00, 750.00. So our required answer for this question is taka 750. Taka 750. Taka 750. This will be the total cost for erecting the fence around the field. Okay, dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of this question. Dear students, you know homework is very important for your annual examination, but homework we are not giving now. We have given many homeworks in previous classes. So if you missed any homework, submit the missing homework. Okay, dear students, so keep practicing at home, avoid by your parents, stay home, stay safe, see you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.